As today we talk about how can you invite members on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just scroll down, click here on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So you click here on manage home, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on invite members here. So then here can you select your members if you want to add administrators here or your members. So then you click here on next, then automatically it's going to take you to add here your family member designation here. When you click on next, then automatically it's going to take you to invite your members on your Mi Home app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.